So in this video, we need to talk about two different concepts that operate one layer below IP addresses. We're going to talk about MAC addresses and ARP. You'll encounter both when you're investigating devices on a network or running diagnostic commands on a switch or router. An IP address is a logical address. It's assigned by configuration and reflects where a device is on the network. You change it in software. A MAC address is a hardware address burned into the network interface card by the manufacturer. Every switch, PLC, HMI, and workstation has one. Where an IP address reflects a device's network location, a MAC address identifies the physical hardware itself, regardless of what network it's connected to. So a network switch learns which device is on which port by reading MAC addresses from incoming traffic. It builds a table noting which port each MAC address is reachable from. When traffic arrives for a specific MAC, the switch sends it only to the port where that MAC was last seen, rather than broadcasting it everywhere. An unfamiliar MAC address operating on your OT switch is worth investigating. It may indicate a device was added without authorization. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. When a device knows the IP address it wants to reach, it still needs the MAC address to deliver the Ethernet frame or packet at the local network level. ARP broadcasts a question: who has this IP address? The device with that IP responds with its MAC address. Routers and switches build ARP tables mapping IP addresses to MAC addresses. The command show ARP on a router CLI lists every device the router has recently communicated with, along with their IP and MAC addresses. That list is a useful inventory of active devices on the network. In the next video, we need to talk about DNS, which is the system that translates host names like historian.plant or www.google.com into IP addresses. We'll cover how it works and why DNS failures affect SCADA even when the underlying network is fine.